Hello, welcome to CrowdPharm. CrowdPharm is a tool that enables clinical pharmacists to easily record their clinical interventions and view analysis via the web and mobile devices in real time. This tutorial will help you create your first collection and to get you started on recording your clinical interventions. A collection is a set of interventions that you choose to track based on your practice location, setting, patient population, and specialty. When you first log into CrowdPharm, you'll be prompted to create your first collection. From the Create New Collection page, you can title your collection, select your practice location, practice setting, patient population, and your practice specialty. Once you've provided your basic practice information, you can create your collection and select which interventions you want to record. You can now choose which interventions you wish to record and monitor in your collection. We've provided you with a set of standard interventions which you can choose from, or you can add your own. After you select the interventions you want to record, you'll be able to review the collection and add outcome questions and values related to your interventions. Your first collection will become your default collection. Initially, each user will be limited to 8 interventions per collection, so please be mindful of which interventions you select for your collections. Now you're ready to record your interventions. To log an intervention, you can click on the applicable collection, or you can click Log an Intervention on the header to quickly log in your default collection. When you log an intervention, you have to provide a unique patient identifier. This can take the form of a patient ID number, or a unique number that you assign to a patient. CrowdPharm will then use a type of one-way encryption to make the identifier unrecoverable, but still unique to that patient. CrowdPharm will never store patient identifiers. CrowdPharm automatically defaults to the current date for an encounter. However, you can backdate as necessary by clicking on the calendar and selecting the actual date of the intervention. After inputting a patient identifier and encounter date, you will need to select which interventions were administered. To do so, simply select the intervention or interventions logged from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected all the interventions, simply click Submit Interventions to record them in your collection. If you have established outcome questions, you'll be prompted to record the responses related to your intervention. Once complete, click on Submit Outcomes to return to the log screen. If you're a student recording interventions, you will be required to answer some learning-based questions. These questions will help students and their preceptors review a student's grasp of clinical care and understanding of pharmaceutical knowledge. If you're done logging interventions, you can go back to the home page. You can change your collection settings through the home page. Click on the collection and select Collection Settings. From the collection settings, you can easily change your collection name, set a collection as your default, and share collections with other pharmacists. If you want to share your collection, click on Share Collection to invite other pharmacists or students. Sharing collections allows you to easily collaborate by sharing intervention data and analysis in real time. Once you've determined the pharmacists and students you want to share your collection with, you can invite them through the Share Collection page. You'll be asked to provide the pharmacist or student's email address, the permissions granted, the duration of the shared collection, and the type of person you are sharing with. These settings allow you to control the interventions and analysis you share. Once you've filled out all the fields, click on Share Collection and confirm your invitation. You can invite up to 5 pharmacists and students to share your collection. Let's go back to the home page to access some of the collection settings features. From the home page, you can easily access the default collection and share collection features by clicking on the desired collection and clicking on the appropriate button. You are now ready to record your interventions on CrowdPharm. We are very excited to have you as a user and will strive to provide you with a meaningful user experience. Please feel free to contact us at the link on the bottom of your screen if you have any questions or concerns.